yo, that's a boy.
The Israel Edge are the weapons that gave India invisible dominance over Pakistan. Kamikaze, eyes in a bold fast, India used Israel hollow drones, autonomous suicide aircraft that loitered silently over Lahore before dive bombing Pakistan radar systems with chilling precision. Silent hunters, happy drones swept Sialkot and Karachi, sniffing out radar signals with predators. Once locked, they struck without warning, part of India radar obligation playbook. Smart Fury spies, 2,000 kids born in Israel labs, transformed ordinary bombs in high-precision killers, hitting terror camps with pinpoint accuracy while minimizing civilian fallout.